How do you do it?
Like I create like a timetable, weekends,
Brilliant.
Sundays, and I follow it.
That's good.
Yes, thank you. And music actually supported my learning because it improved my concentration, confidence, and discipline.
That's good.
Exam and other ways. Because of you, we are leaving this school with knowledge and good character. To our parents and guardians, thank you. Thank you for school fees, uniform, lunch, and prayers. Every time you said, "Takwiga mwana wanje," we listened. These certificates are yours too.
Gaila,
Yes.
being a superstar, I have known you before I joined even this school.
Thank you.
When you are a very young girl, very young, very small. Now reaching here, you are a big girl. But my question is, I am always seeing you on TV,
Yes.
most of the time in the weekend, listening you on the radio stations. Then I'm like, and when it comes to class, you are always above 90, above 90. I want to know, being a superstar, a talented girl, a singer, how do you balance the state of being an artist in classroom issues, and you make it, and you just succeed without any challenge? Please share with us your experience.
Okay. Thank you for the question. My name is Shima Kaliza Garela. Balancing music and studies was challenging, but I learned how to manage my time wisely and stay disciplined. I always prioritized schoolwork first and made sure I completed my studies before practicing music. I also created a personal routine that helped me stay organized and focused, which allowed me to give attention to both my academics and talent.
How do you do it? How do you do it?
Like I create like a timetable, weekends,
Brilliant.
Sundays, and I follow it.
That's good.
Yes, thank you. And music actually supported my learning because it improved my concentration, confidence, and discipline.
That's good.
With the encouragement of my teachers and parents, I stayed consistent and committed. This helped me to excel in class while also developing my passion for music. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Gaila. So the next question goes to Jonis. Looking ahead to the future, what career or what do you plan to do in the future?
Thank you for the question. My name is George Johannes. Red One Drop.
How many subscribers?
42.
42 subscribers. It's a nice beginning. I like it. The name of your YouTube channel is?
Red One Drop.
Right?
Red One Drop.
Let's create one job.
Red.
Please, dear parents, when you reach home, support our student. Subscribe and support him. Okay, continue.
I'm passionate about sharing ideas, creativity, and knowledge through videos that can inspire, educate, and entertain people. This dream inspires me because I enjoy expressing myself using media to communicate with a wider audience. I'm also motivated by creators who started small but worked hard to become influential and dedicated.
What do you put on YouTube channel?
I put on some videos about not spending a lot of time on social media, and I sometimes share secrets of a game called Minecraft.
In fact, you want to teach.
Teachers, thank you so much for your support in different ways, like marking our books at night, coaching us for the national exam, and other ways. Because of you, we are leaving this school with knowledge and good character. To our parents and guardians, thank you. Thank you for school fees, uniform, lunch, and prayers. Every time you said, "Takwiga mwana wanje," we listened. These certificates are yours too. To my fellow P6 graduates, I encourage you to work hard in order to get a big future. We have to stay respectful and disciplined everywhere we go. As the Bible says, train up a child in the way he should go, even if he is old, he will not depart from it. Proverbs chapter 22, verse 6. École Le Petit Prince trained us well that we will forever be unforgettable in our hearts. I promise for all of us, we will make École Le Petit Prince proud in secondary school and beyond. One day, we will come back as criminologists, architects, doctors, teachers, who started right here. So concluding, congratulations, grade 6, class of 2026. Imana ibahe.
Merci Kaliza Gaella, abakoze cyane. Kaliza Gaella arimo asubira mu byicaro. Reka twakire uhagarariye komite y'ababyeyi.
bategura